Why you gotta do this in all my videos?
Oh, it's recording?
Yes, it is.
Oh, shoot, don't put that
You see the tiny little red dot? That means it's recording. Oh my goodness.
Oh, hold up. Watch out.
Alright.
Welcome back to the channel, JJ Films. You know what I'm saying, man? Boy, about to hit 1 million subs right now. We got to get this BMW i8 from Dr. Hannah. Let's go.
Yeah, just because I'm lazy, I might leave that in. That's gonna be the intro.
You gotta leave that in.
That's gonna be the intro.
Slow motion, slow motion. This coding got me moving in slow motion. Slow motion, slow motion. This coding got me moving in slow motion.
Where was I? What was I lost my train of thought. What was I saying? Oh yeah. Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and go down and hit that subscribe button. It's free. And if you don't like it, you can always unsubscribe later. And hit that like button too, because I haven't been getting very many likes on my videos, you know? I need those so I can do better in the algorithm and more people can see my ugly face. Yeah, so, oops, I don't have Streamlabs open.
Oh.
Yeah, so you guys read the title. Today we're taking a look at my analytics. One of the lights blew. It's not really a big problem. It's just gonna throw off the lighting just a little bit. Not really too much of a problem. Not gonna worry about it. Yeah, so as we can see, for the past 28 days, my numbers are up in the greens. I've had 67 subs. My watch time is up 118%, and my views are up 118%, and my watch time is up 131. The average view duration of my last vlog was a lot higher than my last couple of videos, because people only watched for like 3 to 4 minutes. So yeah, and watch time for that is at 16 hours. But what everybody really wants to look at is how much money am I making? Well, let's see if it loads, because I don't know, my Wi-Fi is kind of trash. It might take a while, it might not.
Nobody cares.
Oh my goodness, shut the frick up! Oh my goodness, I'm not monetized? Why aren't I monetized? Because I don't have 4,000 watch hours. I only have 1,730. What's 1,730? That's not right. I have like 1,900 and something. Well, anyway, we have a decent amount of ways to go before I can start making money on YouTube, because ever since they updated the thing, I would have gotten monetized a while ago. You guys would start seeing a little bit better videos. Probably not though, because I'd waste the money on like food or something, because I'm fat. If you haven't noticed from any of my other videos, our analytics overall, not our videos, because we don't want to look at that. And we're going to analyze how I've been doing over the past 28 days. Okay, so when I posted the Don't Forget Me music video, the day after, the views had like a small spike to them, as you can see, but not so much the watch time, because people weren't watching that long. I don't know why. There was also a small spike right around here where I posted the Thanksgiving vlog, and it's been just like varying, just a tiny bit that entire time. And my subscribers are always just up and down. Like, I can't recognize a pattern to it at all or anything. I like how the video that's getting the most views is my longest one, because YouTube kind of does that. It sees videos that will keep people on the website longer so that they can play more ads and they can get like paid more. So since this video is 10 hours, it's being recommended a lot more than like my intro video that's like 15 seconds. Even though that one has a higher percentage of viewer retention, because I don't think people make it to like 3% the way through this video most of the time. Yeah, look at that. 120% of people make it to 0 seconds. That's surprising. I didn't know you could have more than 100%. Yeah, so we've had 10% of people like skip to the end, so it counts, I guess, but it doesn't get the watch time in between. So you can see that hardly anybody, actually nobody hardly has gone through here. There's like 5 or 6 people. You can also look at our viewer ages. I have just a little bit of people that are between 13 and 17. 18 and 24 is what I'm usually shooting for, but I guess I'm getting most of my views from 25 to 34-year-olds. And then up above that, it's not so much. I don't know why anybody above the age of 50 would watch any of my content, but apparently they do. Alright, so this is kind of just a boring video. I'm gonna look at my analytics. Hope they change by the end of this crappy video series. Hopefully it's up a little bit more. Hopefully I've gotten that watch time and I'm monetized. As you guys know, we're trying to reach 1 million subscribers by the end of the school year, so Dr. Hannah will buy me a car. And if you're wondering what car I want, it's the BMW i8. I'm gonna be happy with a 2015 version. I know this was kind of a short, boring video. I'm probably gonna do another one that's also gonna be short. Not so boring, because I'm going to be responding to my first hate comment, which means I've made it. Since somebody's hating on me, that means I have to be popular enough for them not to like me. Yeah, so anyway, that video is going to be coming out soon. It's probably going to be like 30 seconds, because it's only one comment. It's super short. It's really stupid. I could put it in this video, but I gotta make those 100 videos show up somehow. So, till next time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you liked the video. If you didn't, hit the dislike button twice. And I'll see you in the next one.
Slow motion, slow motion. This coding got me moving.